Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. And on this next YouTube episode that I'm doing today, we're going to be reviewing, that's right, the new version of the Google Chromecast, which does all these features, apps, and all that, as you can see. Yep. It does everything more advanced and better. So let's get to this YouTube episode unboxing and get with it. This will be my first time with a Google Chromecast, so I'm not really sure how it works. But I'll find out now sooner or later in a few minutes. Bye bye wrappings. Okay. Oh, okay. It's like this. Wow. Look at that. Even has rubber padding. Nothing in here. So the first thing you see that you get would be a tab to lift out the Chromecast. Nice. Oh wait, it's magnetic. No way, dude. That's pretty sick. Oh. Is there anything else in there? Nope. Just padding. Wow, in all its glory. Beautiful. HDMI cable. Really spectacular. That was the Chromecast. You get also the getting started manual. Ooh. We also get USB cable. I would have thought this would be a USB Type-C cable because this is USB, the USB mini charging port. And it's still something though. Chromecast. USB port. Yeah, your typical wall charger type of thing for cell phones. And this would be your Chromecast product information, the FCC compliant. And I guess that's about it, guys. There's really nothing else. I mean, technically you get to use Chromecast with all these apps that you see here, like Netflix, the Google Play Store, YouTube, which is I'm a big YouTuber, Spotify, Hulu, HBO Now, Google Photo, Pandora, Watch ESPN, Showtime, CBS, Sling, and Facebook. What's interesting is that it does YouTube, so I'm a big YouTuber. I watch all you people's YouTube channels, so just letting you know, I keep my head popped out. Just like I watch the Omar Gosh TV. I watch Linus Tech Tips. I watch Metal Jesus Rocks, John Blue Riggs, Radical Reggie, Unbox Therapy, Lou from Unbox Therapy. I also watch, people that do those dumpster dives, like the Speedy Diver. Oh yeah, his channel's pretty cool. I also watch Bonnie Hunter D. That's a good YouTube episode. You should check him out. And I also watch Patty Mayo. He's one of those bounty hunters too, and his partner is Bounty Hunter D. And there's a bunch of other YouTubers that I watch. So just making sure, shout out to them. And yeah, thanks for watching this simple yet easy Google Chromecast unboxing of the new modern one that came out recently. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.